Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel IELTS at Ease. I understand that I couldn't upload videos but it was due to some health issues. From today onward, you will be getting all the new videos. So today's topic is describe a law on environmental protection. You should include the following points: what it is, how you learned about it, explain the law, who benefits from it, and explain how you feel about this law. Let's start the answer. What it is? It is incontrovertible that our environment is being deteriorated due to several reasons such as air, water, soil, and noise pollution. The word incontrovertible can be replaced with true, or you can also start by saying that it is evident, or it cannot be denied, or it is undeniable. Deteriorated means to spoil or destroy the quality of something. This word can be used in writing module 2. And some synonyms are vitiate, disrupt, spoil, or destroy. Please remember, if you are making a passive sentence as I made in this point, then you must use the third form of the verb. In order to combat these issues, every country is trying its best. Many rules and regulations are also implemented by the Government of India for the protection of environment. Combat means to fight, to stop, to prevent. It is always effective to make a sentence using in order to. Although there are several rules and acts made by the Indian government, here I am going to talk about a law that I think is one of the best environmental laws. This is called the Environmental Protection Act 1986. Again, I made a complex sentence here using although, which must be there in your answer. Whenever we use one of the, please remember we must use plural form with this. For example, one of my friends, not friend, one of the movies, one of the laws, and so on. This way you can avoid grammatical mistake, which is another essential parameter of speaking. How you learned about it? I did not have any knowledge about this law until a subject related to environment was made compulsory in our school curriculum by the government. When you are talking about pastime, always use a second form of the verb like I did not know. Instead of saying curriculum, you can say school syllabus as well. I was in 12th grade when I started learning about environment and gradually I became keen in it as it is an inseparable part of our life. Gradually means slowly. Such words ensure coherence in your speaking module. Keen means interested. Our next point is explain the law. Since the contamination of the environment has become a grave concern, the Environment Protection Act 1986 was implemented to provide protection and improvement to the environment. Contamination means to make something impure by polluting or poisoning. Grave concern is a good word which means a serious issue. It can also be used in the writing module. Under this Environment Act, the central government is empowered to take necessary measures to safeguard and ameliorate the quality of environment. Measures means steps or solution. Ameliorate means to improve. Also, the government has the authority to control the emission of air pollution or prohibit any industrial activity on environmental grounds. Moreover, it regulates the location of any industry and manages the waste. Synonyms for prohibit are to stop, seize, or ban. In case of contravention of this law, a violator will be punished either up to 5 years of imprisonment or with a fine up to 100,000. Contravention means breaking of the rules or violation. The next point is who benefits from it. This act has brought tremendous benefits for the humanity. First of all, it tends to save the life of not only humans but our flora and fauna as well, because environmental pollution is jeopardizing the lives of every person. Due to this law, people are more aware about the protection of our ecosystem. Tremendous means various, several. I have made a sentence using not only but also. It can be used instead of using and, so I must advise you all to replace and with not only but also. Jeopardize means to put into danger. The last point is explain how you feel about this law. I believe this law is a great step by the government towards solving environmental issues. Several industries were ignoring the importance of environment and were disposing the waste ceaselessly. Ceaselessly means continuously. Now they fear of the punishment, so they endeavor to control their waste. Hence, there is much improvement, and everyone is appreciating this effort of the official. So, this is an environmental law which caught my attention, and I like it very much. Endeavor means try. Caught my attention is used when you find something attractive. It can be used anywhere, either for the buildings, cafes, paintings, or laws. So, this is all about the cue card. It is not compulsory to use the same answer. You can make your own answer and use the vocab from this answer. Also, if you find this answer long, then just use the points that are important. I make long answers because speed of speaking may vary as per students. Now we'll move to the follow-up parts. The first question is, do you think this law is acceptable to the people? Absolutely. In fact, all the citizens are extremely happy with this law. They all know the value of environment and the counterproductive impact of environmental pollution on their health. Use extremely word instead of very. Counterproductive means negative, so remove a negative word and replace it with counterproductive, not only in your speaking but writing as well. So, when this law was implemented by the government, everyone supported it. So, I can say that it is well accepted by the people of India. The second question is, do people like to be police officers in your country? Well, I would say this is one of the most popular professions among Indian youngsters. They need to crack written as well as physical tests to be capable of being a police officer. Every year, there are thousands of posts in this field, and people take the test to be police officers. So, yes, people are fond of this profession. The next question is, what qualities should a police officer have? First of all, a police officer should be honest. We all know that corruption is escalating at an alarming rate, and I believe it is the duty of a police officer to curb this issue. Secondly, a person should be physically fit. Only then one can serve the country. Apart from it, good education, determination, discipline are some other qualities that are required. Well, there are other qualities that can be mentioned in this answer as per your choice. The next question is kindness the most important quality of being a police officer? I don't think so. A police officer should be strict, only then he can maintain the law and order of the area. Why some people prefer to be a lawyer? There are different causes for the people to choose this profession. On the one side, some like to be lawyers as it is a respected job and they aspire to have a good salary package. On the other hand, others are fond of justice. They have a keen desire to assist people to get justice, so they become lawyers. Should people be punished if they use mobiles during driving? Definitely, it is the need of the hour. Several people, especially youngsters, are addicted to using mobiles when they drive, which ultimately leads to serious accidents. Every day, we witness many accidents where people even lose their lives. So, if they are penalized for this, then one can avoid using this gadget while driving. It will be a great step to save people's life. In fact, there are already laws, but implementation should be there. Only then this situation can be improved. If you find this video informative, please like and share and stay tuned for many more videos.